So we have created the table for training accuracy. Now we will create another table for testing accuracy. Now we will copy this table structure. So here I will put the caption maximum, minimum, mean and standard deviation of testing accuracies. Over 10 folds. So that caption I have set here. Now what I will do, I will change the table accordingly. First I will erase that portion. So first I will put the table header. The first will be the model name, then the column for maximum, minimum, mean and standard deviation. I left that block column, and next I will put, suppose, first accuracy. In short I am writing, then sensitivity or recall, then specificity I am writing in short, then precision, then F1 score, so I am writing F1, and then geometry mean, and then FPR, false positive rate. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 performance metrics. And then horizontal line. So we have total entries 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 plus 7, so 9. So we have to set the alignment here also. So 7, we need additional 2. So you can see here that we have put the number of columns and the alignments. Now what we will do, we will enter the data. So now actually for different model we have 4 summary statistics, that is maximum, minimum, mean and standard deviation. So 4 rows for each model name. So that's why I will use again here multi row. So 4 and the model name MLP, and then max, then the maximum value over 10 folds for each matrix. So suppose accuracy 99.01 and recall 93.23, and then specificity suppose 90 or 23, and then precision 92.01, and then F1 score suppose 85.02, and then geometric mean suppose 80.20, and then false positive rate suppose it is 0.7, 9.77. So again 2 backslash and horizontal line. So I will place other data. So just I am copy paste that. That is for mean. So here you can, so first I complete all the 4, then this is for mean and this is for standard deviation. Now here you can see that horizontal line cross this model column, so it cross the MLP. So here I will, what I will do, I will use the cline command and from 2 to 9 in place of horizontal line, okay, and do the same for other. Now you can see we have adjusted that MLP and its data. Now we'll do it for other. So I'll copy paste the same code. So in place of here I can write SVM. So you can see in that way we can do that. So you can enter the data later on, but I have created the table structure first, and then I'll create the, I'll enter the data for decision tree DT, and then I'll do it for random forest. So you can see there is 2 lines, horizontal lines, so I will delete that one, last one. So here you can see that table structure has been created, and you can edit all the data in any way. So now I will edit the label. So this is for testing. Now I will enter a text, that is so maximum, minimum, and standard deviation of testing accuracy over 10 folds are provided in table with a table. So you can see that table will be cited in the text. So here you can see that maximum, minimum, mean, and standard deviation of testing accuracy over 10 folds are provided in table 2. So now here you can see that it cross the column width. So we can adjust it, okay, by specify the length of the column. So here what we'll do, suppose if I set p 0.5 semi, and I can align that column also So I have adjusted that, and next I can left align all the maximum, minimum, means and deviation, and I can also reduce it. You can do it by yourself. So using p in bracket, the width of the column you can put, and you can adjust the table length. So here you can see that it cross the width, text width of the column, so you can adjust it. So if I write in place of std dot d in dav, so if I write only sd, if I put only sd, so it is reduced, and now I can, if I adjust f1, so for f1 1 2 3, f1 1 2 3, so p 0.5 semi, for example. I'm trying to, okay, so it is adjusted. Then I can put for precision the same, or I can put for fpr. So it is, so now we have to reduce the size again, so we can use for other also. So so here you can see we have adjusted the table width. So for recall we need to increase the space, so you can see, now you can see that the table width has been adjusted, and also it is easily readable. Okay, so we have completed the table for testing accuracy. So in the next video I will show you how to do the reference, how to use bib text.